Hi everyone, welcome back once again. My name is Daulat. In this video I will show you that how you can use word counter in small SEO tool. This is one of the best platforms you can use for multiple purpose. You will have multiple tools. In this video I will show you that how you can use word counter to count the articles, that how many words are there in your article. So to use this tool, all we have to do is simply click on this tool and you will come to this page. And now here you will find 3 to 4 options to use for counting your words. Number one, you can select the file from your desktop and you can choose the file, and the entire text will come up here and you can easily check the word, that how many words are there. And the other two options that you have, one from Google Drive and the other one is from Dropbox. So you can simply connect any one of these platform and you can import the entire content into this platform and you can count the word. But I'm 100% sure that most of you don't like to count the word in this way. You can do simply that. As you can see, you are into my website. I have already selected few texts, so I will simply copy the entire text, come back here and I will paste it right up here and just hit on count words, and you have to wait for a second. It will automatically count the words. And the best part of this word counter, it will give you all the metrics, like how many words you have, how many characters you have, how many symbols you have used in your entire articles, how many sentences you have, how long it will take for a normal person to read the entire articles. And if you scroll it down, you will find the total number of words, total number of characters with space and without space. Here is the estimated reading timing, speaking timing, and here is the best things, like how many words you have repeated multiple. As you can see, breakfast use 14 times, recipe use 8 times, minutes use 3 times. If you click on word 2, so these are the words has repeated twice in the article. So 5 minutes, it's repeated in 5 times. 5 minutes breakfast, 3 word. So this is 5 minutes breakfast. So this is the 3 words, how many times they have repeated: 5, 3. So it will give you amazing data around this entire article, entire content which you have written. If you scroll down, you will find the length statistic of the content which you have written. So short words have itna percent, long words has itna percent, and there are some sentences which you can analyze even in more better way. So as you can see, this word counter is absolutely amazing. They will give you a lot of metrics. So when it's come to writing the article for a SEO friendly, I must recommend you to do and check this word counter. That will help you the idea that how many words are repeating in a multiple way. So when you are writing a content related to SEO, so you can able to find out that what are the other words besides SEO. Like best SEO tool is a 3 words, 2 words. So this is the way you can able to do the analysis of the words and you can able to write a perfect article. So I hope you have liked this video. In the next video I'm going to show you that how you can use spell checker tool in a small SEO tool. So don't forget to watch that video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have any questions, any doubt, write in the comment section. I would love to help you out and give you a complete idea that how you can do it in a more better way. So leave your comment in the comment section and do let me know what you think about it. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.